All right, good day everyone. How are you all today? I really hope everyone is having a good time and doing fine with the trading and having a profitable week. Today is 15th of April and I'm back again. My name is Hussein. I'm going to bring you back some of the market forecasts, what is happening in the week and how you can actually plan ahead your trades in advance to close the week in a profitable manner, right? Well, investors sold US dollar on Tuesday ahead of two very important economic news releases, which was retail sales and also BG book. So the overriding view is that nothing good will come out of these reports as the shutdown of non-essential businesses across the nation hit spending, creating ongoing concerns for the Federal Reserve. So you see, we also expect that every one of the Fed districts to report weaker economic activity due to the COVID-19. So weak data is assumed in the US and many countries around the world, but are the weak earnings are, which is why investors take stocks of yesterday's equity market movement. As you could see there that the stock were actually going up. So stocks traded sharply higher despite JP Morgan as well as Fargo's, had a big earnings disappointments. Johnson and Johnson's also reported lower sales and cut its 2020 earnings outlook, all right, due to the, the, the reasons of COVID-19. So all in all, it was a profitable day yesterday with many countries talking about restarting activities. Investors are looking past week quarter one results. Everyone has written off the first quarter and for the more part of it, the second as well. So now with the evidence of infection stabilizing in US, investors are hoping that business activity will start to come back uh, probably in May or latest by June. All right. So looking at the economic calendar for today, what is the most important event? As you say, as I mentioned earlier, is we are looking for retail sales, and then there's Bank of Canada monetary policy announcements. Last week, recently, they had a downfall on the employment data in Canada as well. This is why they cut down their interest rates. So all in all, we believe that they're going to be more dovish and the tone of their voice towards Bank of Canada rate. However, any further measures will be able to have a clear way after the Bank of Canada press conference. All right. So all in all, this is the most volatile and happening event for today that will be driving the Canadian dollar either to its new peaks or either to its new lows. So all in all, it depends on the Bank of Canada press conference that will be giving us a further a clue on that. So we also have got industrial data coming out from US. You can actually have a look on the overall industries that will be actually referring to the GDP, service sector, and all in all, we will be having more clue on the GDP side. Well, we all know that all these numbers are most likely going to be in the red zone. This is why because we could expect dollar to fall. But however, any further arrangements, we will be looking into the price section of the currency pairs. All right. So all in all, we will be moving on to our price section analysis, and then from there we will discuss further. All right, so looking into some of the potential setups that actually has been happening over the week, we had a possible or a potential break at this descending triangle on crude oil. However, it is still going down again, even though we have seen a major support here. So all in all, if you are an intraday trader, we believe that this instrument is going to fall further, and then this could be your profit taking targets somewhere around here, right? So that is to do with crude oil. And looking at other currency pairs, let's say euro NZ, we have seen a nice rally up because it has broken this channel, and we are expecting this to go up further to find the next resistance here, one, and the resistance number two right there. All right, so if you are gonna take a position on this, and we're looking at it most towards to the buy side, right, because it has given a clear direction to the upside, all right, all the way till here. And looking at USD JPY, like we spoke about it earlier that it has been finding a way to go down, and all in all, as soon as it breaks this support, all right, we can expect this to go further down. So looks like it is going down to maybe a bit more leg down, and then finds a support and then goes up. But all in all, overall, it is in a downtrend, right? Then looking at a Aussie USD, it has been overbought, and all in all, there is a reversal that is expected anytime soon. But as long as the price remains in this channel, we are not going to go short. We need to see a break below this trend line, and then we can take a position on Aussie USD, right? So all in all, as you could see there from the fundamental aspects, as we have got a new data coming out from Bank of Canada today that will be impacting on the Canadian pair. And also beside that, previously they have done major easing on this central bank forecast, whereby they want to actually stimulate the economy. And also there is a lot of speculation about, because a lot of employees said they have actually lost the job. This is why they had to actually, due to the current situation of COVID-19. So all in all, if you see this pair, probably is going to retrace up, and then we're going to see for the outcome of the USD CAD, depending on the statement from the Central Bank of Canada. So we will see how the currency pair will outperform from there. But looking at it overall, even though this pair goes up a bit, we expect this to actually goes up a bit, even though then it's gonna fall back, right? So all in all, the structure is bearish for USD CAD. So if you want to take your position, stay out of it for now. You can take your position after the Bank of Canada release the outcome of the testimony from the Bank of Central Bank, right? CAD JPY, it is going down nicely, but as you see here, right, it is going to go down a bit more, and then to find a support at this level, right? And then we're expecting this to bounce back up, right? To watch these levels for you to plan ahead your trades, right? And looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, Dow Jones Industrial Average had a recovery, like we've been talking about it all this while, that it is from the past 2 weeks, that it has found a support which is here, and probably you might see a pullback, another pullback down. But overall, we expect this to go up further, right? So all in all, bullish on Dow Jones Industrial Average. So that's all the update for you for some of the price action analysis. And have a happy trading and enjoy your another day of trading. And we will be seeing you in the next Friday, right? Bye bye.